So today's video is all about happy numbers. For those that don't know, there's a nice website here about happy numbers. Happy numbers are basically the perfect formula in mathematics. The idea is that you can resolve through a calculation the number down to 1 every time. For example, if I just go a quick example come up. So if we work through this example using the number 23, the way we work out if it's a happy number is we square the 2 squared is 4, and we square the 3, so 3 squared is 9. We add these two together to give us 13, and we start again. So 1 squared is 1, 3 squared is 9, add the two together, leaves us with 10. 1 squared is 1, 0 squared is 0, add them together, leaves us with 1, and 1 is a happy number. Unhappy numbers, or sad numbers, they always fall into a cyclical loop that includes these values. So what we could do is check for the lowest one of these values, and if this appears, then we know we've got an unhappy number. So let's have a go at the coding for it. So let's look at my Flowgorithm. Okay, and if I look at my main, and I'll do this for 23 as per this same example. Okay, so this, well, first of all, look, I can show you that I can find the first 100, or what the happy numbers are within the first 100 values. So if I just run this, there we go, we can see that it's finding 1 is happy, obviously, 7 is happy, and then if we go down to 23, which we were working with, 23 is happy. So we can see that this algorithm is working. If we change it so it just does 23, and then we can step through it. So if I step through this algorithm, let's bring up the source code. Let's bring up, oops, let's bring up the source code again. Okay, let's step through this. So as it goes through, just as we did before, we can see we've got our 2 squared to give us to give us 13. It's not a happy number yet, so it goes back round again. 1 squared and 3 squared give you 10. Back round again, and then obviously we end up with 1 this time round. And because it's not the 4, but it is the 1, we can complete the loop. Happy number, return the happy number, and then we got the 23 is happy, which is what we've just run. So I'll let you have a look at the code. It's all fairly straightforward. You can see here's our loop. We're turning the number into a string so we can see the individual characters of it. We convert each character back into an integer, so the first digit and the second digit, square them and add them to the total. We get that'll happen for each digit. We get our total. If that total's a 4, then we know it's not a happy number. If it's a 1, it is a happy number. If it's neither, it's all the way back round, and it keeps going until it either hits the cyclical never-ending loop where it's a 4, so it's not a happy number, or eventually runs out at 1. So there is our program on how to generate happy numbers. I hope that's made you happy. If you've got any questions, or if you like this, then like and subscribe. If you really like it, buy me a coffee.